If YouTube is not working in Chrome on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can solve the most common issues causing YouTube to stop loading, freeze, buffer, or fail to play videos properly. We'll start with the quickest fixes first and then move into the more effective browser settings that usually solve the problem. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, restart Google Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window so the browser is fully shut down, then open it again. Sometimes temporary glitches in the browser can stop YouTube from working correctly, and a simple restart is enough to clear them. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and try loading a few other websites to confirm that your connection is stable. If other sites are also slow or not loading, the problem may be your network rather than Chrome. A weak or unstable internet connection can definitely cause YouTube videos to fail to load or keep buffering. Now, open YouTube and refresh the page using a hard refresh. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. This forces Chrome to reload the page completely instead of using saved data. A hard refresh is useful when YouTube is stuck, the page looks broken, or the video player is not responding. If that still does not fix it, clear your Chrome cache and cookies. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Delete Data. Corrupted browser cache or old cookies can interfere with YouTube playback, so clearing them often solves stubborn loading issues. After that, disable Chrome extensions one by one, especially if you use ad blockers, VPN extensions, YouTube tools, or any suspicious add-ons. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Turn off the extensions that might be interfering with YouTube. Extensions can sometimes block scripts, break the video player, or prevent the site from loading correctly. Another useful fix is to disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. Go to Settings, then System, and find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn it off, then click Relaunch. In some cases, GPU rendering issues can cause YouTube videos to glitch, freeze, or not play at all. Turning this setting off gives Chrome a different way to handle video playback. Finally, check your Chrome sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and open Volume Mixer. Make sure Chrome is not muted and that the volume is turned up. Sometimes YouTube looks broken when really the audio is just muted or blocked by system settings. Once you've tried these steps, YouTube should start working properly in Chrome again. The most common fix is usually clearing cache, disabling problematic extensions, or turning off hardware acceleration. If one step didn't work, move on to the next until you find the one that fixes the issue. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more simple PC troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.